that percolation is the downward movement of water through the different soil layers. Okay? We good? Everybody, we're still understanding? Thumbs up? Can you repeat that one again? Read it? Yeah. Percolation is just the downward movement of water through the different soil layers. Okay, but essentially we all know the earth is round, right? Yes. Okay, good. And it has an inside at some point. It has a mantle and a core, all these different elements. And essentially, the water can't keep traveling downward forever, right? It's got to stop. Does anybody know where it stops? Scott? The water table. Got him. That's our fourth keyword. Okay, so what happens is the water table, you can really just think of it as a table. It's easy to remember, okay? It's essentially the line or the level at which the water now is passing to a saturated zone. And all that you really need to take away from this, okay, so the take-home message is that above this water table, the soil is unsaturated. And it means that the water is going to continue to travel through that soil until it hits that water table. At the water table, everything is saturated, and so it's not going to continue to travel downward anymore. Does that make sense? So the water table, I'm going to emphasize it again. The water table is the underground surface at which the layer above it is unsaturated and the layer below it is saturated with water. We good? Thumbs up? Awesome. All right, so we are moving on to our activity. All right, so I want you guys to turn to your handout right now. Sweet. All right, you guys, so who's going to read today? We're at Pollutants on Parade. Jackie?
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, scientists. Scientists! A truck carrying a large amount of chemicals crashed into the woods in your town. A large amount of the chemicals spilled seem to have seeped into the ground. Beneath these woods there's a large reservoir of groundwater from which the town gets its water. Mayor Thompson is counting on you to tell him how the groundwater will be affected. Go through this short activity and work in groups of 4 to answer the questions as you go. Answers will be collected at the end of class. Scribes must write down your observations, but each team member must turn in a complete set of answers to all questions.
Okay, so we've talked about pollution before. We talked about this earlier in the year. Does anybody know just examples off the top of their head of different types of pollution? Come on, guys, we did this. Yeah, Jackie?
Air pollution?
What?
Air pollution?
Air pollution. Yeah.
Water pollution.
Okay, so these are really general, and you guys are doing good. We did talk about these as different types of pollution, but what we're going to talk about today is specifically different types of land-based pollution that get into the water. So you've got chemical pollution, sewage can be a pollutant, all these different things you guys don't think about. You know those trucks that come by and they beep really, really loud and they're spraying for mosquitoes and your mom runs around the house like crazy and goes, shut the windows, shut the windows, right? Alright, there's a reason your mom wants you guys to shut the window. But so essentially what happens is as these chemicals, if there's a spill, you know, you guys hear on the news all the time about oil spills in the ocean, right? They're bad. They spread. Same thing in the land, okay? And so we're going to take these concepts that we just learned about water and we're going to apply them to pollutants that just spilled. So, as Jackie said, we have a chemical spill that's occurred in the woods, right? The mayor goes out there, doesn't see any chemicals laying around. What do we think happened to it? Yeah?
It went into the ground.
It went into the ground, and it probably used these different processes, right? Awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get into teams of one who's applying the pollutant. So your second person's going to be the one that's spilling the chemicals. Okay? And now I want you guys to just pay attention. Food dye is not hazardous at all. If you get it on your skin, it's okay. You're fine. You're not dying. If you go home, you're like, Mom, I'm blue. But essentially, all you're going to do is just make sure that you're being careful with it and you're only using a few drops. Okay? Okay, good. And then you guys can follow the directions for the rest. Let's get going. One thing, quick, heads up here. One thing we want to make sure is that you're using your napkin while you're dropping your water on it with your water dropper. Did everybody get one? Yep, should be at the ends of your table. I just want you guys so that the table's not getting too dirty, okay? Alright, let's kick it off. Let's go. Let's go.
No, I don't need to pull that.
You guys, listen up 1 second. Yep, guys, focus up here. Alright, you guys have 15 minutes to do this before we're coming back together.